We expecting someone. Pizza cake. Hey, girl. Welcome back, family. Welcome back, everyone. If this is the first time that you are clicking on my face, my name is Chi and I concentrate on fashion. Pretty much anything I love to talk about right here. If it sounds like what you're kind of interested in, to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Become part of this my little grand family. Let's be friends. And to my returning subscribers, you guys know I heart you. Thank you guys for coming back. God bless you. Today is going to be an unboxing video. I promise it's not going to be a very long video. This is the item right here. It is a Jacquemus bag. So let's see what this is. This is the bag right here, and this bag is called the La Pochette Rond Carre. I guess that's how it's pronounced. Like, I wanted this bag for a very long time, particularly in the silver version, but every time I check Jacquemus website, it's always sold out, and like I just gave up. Like, you know what, when they come with a different color, maybe I would probably get my hands on it. And so when I seen this color, I said, you know what, yeah, it's time to come home. Okay, and so she's here. I love this bag. Talk about the specs of this bag real quick, because I know you all have seen a whole lot of reviews about this bag, particularly the silver color, not this color. So let's talk about this. Okay, so this is made out of a Napa leather material, and usually when they say Napa leather material, it is made of like a smooth soft leather fabric. And the reason why this bag is specifically made with that kind of material is because of how it opens. Okay, so you fold it up all the way up and it opens like so. So obviously a soft leather material will be needed to make this rollable. All right, so this is the bag up close right here. You can see that it's has a gold Jacquemus inscription right here. To open this bag, it's you turn it around like so and it opens. It also has the magnetic closure right here, so you can see that it closes magnetically. This bag also have the two knobs right here. This is gold, this is silver, and also this is the gold square closure endings. So yeah, this is the bag in its glory. It's the back, and this is the base of the bag. This is the inside of the bag right here. It does have a little compartment at the back right here, but that's all about it. It's just a plain interior. The interior is kind of like a beige material. Overall, I like this bag. I know I'm going to be styling this bag in several ways. You know, it's more like a casual kind of bag. Of course, I'm going to style it up. I'm going to zhuzh it, you know. I'm going to do a lot of styling with denims, a lot of maxi skirts, but I will style this bag in a way that it will look extremely dressy, and I cannot wait to show you guys the other various ways that I'll be styling this bag. It's a pretty bag. I was so scared that I might end up not liking it, because I'd seen some people's review and they said the bag was a little bit too big. I didn't just, you know, suit their lifestyle and style. For me, I like the size of the bag. It's not too big, it is not too small. I do know that this bag comes in different colors right now. So there is like a black version, there is like this version, which is the off-white color. There is also a croc version as well. I'm just gonna pop the three right here to see the different colors that they do have. I got this bag from Sense. I got it when they had like a promotion going on where you get an additional 20% off, so I ended up paying a little bit under the price. Okay, so it was a great buy, and I know myself, I don't really like to pay full price. Not as is like, you know, a purse that it doesn't go on sale, but something like this, I really wanted a good deal, and a good deal. I mean, a good deal, a good deal. And so the entire amount that I paid for this bag was worth it. Okay, I feel like that's the price I would be willing to pay for the bag. I just said, you know what? It's a win-win situation for me. The color, the material, like the fabric, everything is on point. Even the stitching is on point. All right, family. I told you guys that it was going to be a very quick unboxing. I hope you guys love this quick unboxing. Let me know if you love this color of this La Pochette Rond Carre bag. And let me know if you guys want me to do more unboxings, because I usually get lazy to do unboxings. But let me know down in the comment section down below. And like always, thank you guys for sticking to the end of this entire video. If you did love this video, of course, give the video a thumbs up, hit the like button, okay? Hit that like button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified anytime I post any brand new content right here. And with that being said, thank you lovelies, thank you families, and I catch you guys in the next one. Take care, bye-bye.